हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है औरंगजेब। औरंगजेब वाज सन ऑफ शाहजहां। औरंगजेब imprisoned Shah in Agra fort under the care of his daughter Jahan and came to throne in 1658. Aurangzeb died in 1707 and was succeeded by Bahadur Shah. चलिए let's get started. His original name was Muhyiddin Muhammad. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father Shah Jahan in Agra fort under the care of his daughter Jahan and came to throne in 1658 at Delhi. Aurangzeb assumed the title Alamgir. Alamgir means conqueror of the world. He was called Zinda Peer or living saint. Aurangzeb prohibited Jarokha Darshan. Jarokha Darshan refers to the practice of Mughal rulers to show themselves to the public through the balcony of the fort. Aurangzeb considered Jarokha Darshan as a superstitious practice, so that is why he prohibited Jarokha Darshan. Aurangzeb prohibited Sati and Nowruz. Aurangzeb forbade inscription of kalima on coins. Aurangzeb reimposed jizya in 1679. Jizya was abolished by Akbar in 1564. Aurangzeb crushed Jats in Mathura Agra region in 1669. Aurangzeb crushed Satnamis in 1672. Akmal Khan of Afdi tribe started revolts against Aurangzeb from 1672. Aurangzeb remained in Peshawar till 1675 and put an end to the revolts. Aurangzeb executed 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Tegh Bahadur revolted against Aurangzeb, so that is why Aurangzeb executed 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur. In 1665, Treaty of Purandar was signed between Mughals and Marathas. Mughals were represented by Mirza Raja Jai Singh and Marathas were represented by their leader, that is Shivaji. In 1689, Sambhaji, the eldest son of Shivaji, the leader of Marathas, was captured and beheaded by Aurangzeb. Sir William Norris visited Aurangzeb's court to secure trading rights, but Aurangzeb refused to pay trading rights. So Sir William Norris failed in his mission. During the reign of Aurangzeb, Bombay was given dowry to Charles II from the Portuguese. Aurangzeb built Moti Masjid at Red Fort and Badshahi Mosque at Lahore. Aurangzeb built Bibi Ka Maqbara, tomb of his wife, at Aurangabad. He was an accomplished veena player and a calligrapher. During the reign of Aurangzeb, the Mughal Empire reached to its greatest extent. Aurangzeb died in 1707 and was succeeded by Bahadur Shah I, which marked to the decline of Mughal Empire. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for your patience. It was all about Aurangzeb.